See? Get one, baby, you can load up with this one. Heavy like that. Okay. Step number 1. Boom. Whack them. Put the weight on it. 1. You know the thing inside. The white stuff. Before the kain, you already know. Hey, the things they all know. Alright, so in the meanwhile, I can show you how to husk one coconut. First off, gotta choose the right coconut, choose the right husking tool, and then we're gonna start the process of husking it. Okay, let's get into it. Got the coconut, just like you prep on football like that. 49ers, let's go. Grab them, you back them up like that. You look, bow, wow, right there. That's the whole line right there.